going on, you guys? It's your boy Johnny back again with another video. If you guys are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I got some more content coming, and today we're gonna go pick up something for the truck. I'm gonna go ahead and redo this whole front end. I'm gonna get a new hood and a new grill. So right now I'm actually gonna go pick up the hood. Make sure you guys stay tuned so you guys can see. This hood is fine, you know, but I want something, you know, más acá, más sicker. So, para la gente que habla español, vamos a ir por una, no sé cómo se llama esto. Esto de arriba, vamos a ir por una parte para la troca. Y pues, obviamente, it's not gonna be painted, no va a estar pintada. So, va a estar negra, obviamente. But stay tuned so you guys can see what kind of hood I'm gonna get. So, stay tuned, guys. God damn, this shit's like 40 minutes away, guys. Shit, the shit I do for the fucking mamalona. Fucking shit. I don't know why it doesn't focus. Focus. Nah, it doesn't want to focus. But yeah, man, it's 40 minutes away. Keep you guys updated. Like I said, I'm gonna go pick it up from a seller. But I'm gonna check it out, see cómo está y todo. See any dents or anything. Hopefully todo sale al 100, así que I'll catch you guys right now. God damn, so I'm on my way to pick up the hood and this traffic ain't looking so good. Holy shit. I'm not sure if you guys could see. I'm driving right now, so I can't really zoom in, but I'll try to zoom in right now, but there's hella traffic. I'm literally going 45 miles per hour on the freeway. No, not even 45, probably like 30. But yeah, there's a lot of traffic. A ver si llegamos, hay mucho tráfico. But anything for the hood, right? Ah, tacuache, fuck. I didn't choose the tacuache life. The tacuache life chose me. Ah, hey, but keep watching, guys, so you guys could see how this truck's gonna turn out, though. And if you guys are new here, like I mentioned earlier, subscribe, guys, subscribe. Like I said, I'm modding this truck. I'm building it, you know, I'm making it look nice. Well, I think nice. I don't know, some people might not like it, but make sure you guys subscribe and everything, guys. So I'll catch you guys right now once I pick up the hood. Let's go. Alright, you guys, we just picked up the hood. I didn't want to record the deal or anything because, like, I don't know if the guy wanted to get recorded or anything, so, but just know that we already picked up the hood. Once I get home, I'll be sure to show you guys what it looks like. Right now I'm currently going back home. It was a far drive, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, not far, exaggerated, but it was kind of far. But like I said, anything for the mamalona, you know, we gotta get this good content, we gotta push out this good content. So if you guys haven't liked this video, make sure to like it, guys. But I'll catch you guys once I'm at the house so you guys could see the new hood I got. And stay tuned because I also have a new grill coming in, so stay tuned, guys. Alright, you guys, we just made it back home. Aquí andamos. Let me show you guys the new hood. It's that HD hood. We just picked it up. Super clean. No dents anywhere. Pa que vean. Todo al 100. Probably show you guys again during the day. But I'm just waiting for my grill to come in. But if you guys don't know what a HD grill is, or I mean a HD bumper, here, let me show you guys. So if this thing could focus, but if you guys could see, this one's way more, it has more of a hump on the hood. Here, let me see if I can get it from this side. It has more of a hump on the hood. I'm actually shining light with my phone, but, and then compared to this one, watch. This one doesn't really have much of a hump. I don't know why, but I don't know why I say hump, but yeah. And I'm just waiting for the new grill to come in, which is also an HD grill, so I'll show you guys that once it comes in. And once I'm about to go color match everything, but it's gonna look super sick. So stay tuned, guys, for day 2, or yeah, stay tuned for day 2. Alright, bet. Hey, what's up, you guys? It's the next day and we are finally gonna go get these parts painted, the grill and hood. I'm not sure if I already showed you guys that I already received the grill not too long ago, but I finally found the shop, guys, to paint my hood and grill finally, so I can have the full HD. So stay tuned, guys. Or actually, let me actually show you guys the grill. Let me show you guys real quick. So this is the grill, guys. HD grill. And I have the hood over here. Have a bunch of parts just laying around. But yeah, this is all gonna be color matched to the truck. HD hood and HD grill. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it to the shop, guys. I'll catch you guys right now. Let's go. Alright, we just got the hood and the grill mounted. It wasn't on here, it was over there. I showed you guys. So we just got it mounted. Y ahora sí, fuga to the shop to get these color matched. I'm actually gonna get this gray, guys. I know it's already gray, but like silver, like how I did in the front end. And then this all color matched. So you guys will see once it's done. Pa que vean que show, if it could focus, cause it's black on black. But yeah, there's the hood and the grill y todo. And I was gonna do the honeycomb, like kind of like this gray, yeah, it's like silver, not gray, I don't know. But yeah, so stay tuned, guys, for this new front end. Stay tuned, guys, stay tuned. Keep watching, guys, so you guys can see how this truck is gonna turn out. Let's go. Alright, you guys, I guess the mamalona aquí se va a quedar. Get ready to see this painted, guys. In the body shop. Stay tuned, guys. New front end coming soon. What is up, you guys? It is currently a couple days. I know this vlog's probably gonna be all over the place, but I finally got a call by the shop. As you guys seen previously, I left it there. But I finally got a call from the shop that my truck is ready, guys. So stay tuned. I'm about to go over there and go pick it up. Stay tuned so you guys see how this truck turns out. Let's go. I'll meet you guys at the shop. Check it out, guys. New hood, HD. This thing looks flawless, guys. Look at this. God damn. Ocean. Damn, guys, I love the way it turned out. Look at that. God damn, you guys, we just made it home. Check it out. Really happy. Let me show you guys. These guys dead ass. Let me just turn off the mamalona real quick. These guys really outdid themselves, guys. Look at that. Let me just show you guys. Hold on. Open the hood and everything. Look at that. Painted everything. This was all black. This too. Wanted it silver. That's what they did. Silver as well. You guys seen the honeycomb silver? Did a very, very good job. Really happy with how this came out, guys. Looks super, super clean. Can't even tell that it's another hood. Check it out. God damn. I love the way it looks. It looked better than the old hood. Here, I actually have the old hood so you guys could tell the difference. They actually put the parts back in the back. As you guys could see, since this isn't the HD hood, for those people that don't know, it doesn't really have much of a kind of a slope, like a hump. And look, this is the old grill, guys. The old grill, as you see, the old grill doesn't have these a line going through here like in the other one, and the honeycomb doesn't have that as well. So as you guys could see, the hood basically looks flat. But check out this hood over here, guys. This thing obviously has this thing more raised. You guys seen the little line that goes through the honeycomb? It just makes it look like a race truck, you know? It makes it look more sporty, and that's kind of the look I'm going for, guys. It looks pretty sick, guys. Damn. I'm gonna go ahead and do some cinematic shots for you guys. Let's go. That that'll be it for today's video, guys. As you guys seen how the truck looks. Whew. You guys probably, I already showed you guys the difference y todo. New HD front end. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Ooh, I think it looks good. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Let's go.